5:21.
I can read, but I'm not paying $28. So I don't know who. Maybe I need to go back up to MySpace and figure that out. But I'm not paying for that. So
No. I said ask them. This is you cannot keep it with you.
I didn't say that I did.
Tell them.
I am. Yeah. That's what I'm about to go do.
Yes.
Alright, so topic is, why do men think that they should shave their beards completely bald? I know one person was saying that he wanted to shave it off so that he could grow it in more evenly. Other people, I just feel like they just are unhinged. I'm gonna tell you one thing about me. If I met you and you had a beard when I met you, don't try to change it. Like, I don't know. This is my logic. So, if I just met you, right, and you ain't had no facial hair and I'm like, damn, he fine, then it don't matter because you never had no facial hair to begin with. Now you grow a beard, you might either be the same level of fine or you might get finer. You know what I'm saying? But, like, specifically for people that I met that you already had the beard, don't try to change anything on me because you're going to see me change on you. Like, oh, you want to hang out? No, I don't. Because now you look like E.T. Come on. If you didn't do what you did it first. Now you mad at me? Because you look like a Teletubby.
You need to leave.
Sometimes your beard is that's it. Keep the ad. This, came about because Jalen Hurts decided to shave his beard off and he looks scary. Don't advertise something to me and then take it away because it's like, this is what I was here for. And again, this is my opinion. Who cares about my opinion on my YouTube channel? Me. But I'm just saying that it's not about to give with me. I'm not. I won't. I shan't. I hope y'all day is going good. I am currently like getting ready for work. I have a meeting downtown and I want to do some maintenance though before I leave. So as y'all can see, I just shaved my face a little bit and then I'm about to get into like part of my skin routine. And then I'm gonna hop in the shower. Let's get a time check. It's 12:04. I'm trying to leave by 1. Real quick before I get in, I'm using Dr. Till's eucalyptus body wash, and I'm using coconut oil. Okay, focus. Thank you. So I'm using coconut oil, Dr. Till's sugar scrub to exfoliate. So now that I'm fresh out the shower, I always take the Topicals High Roller. It's for ingrowns. Shout out to Topicals. So I already washed my face. I meant to exfoliate, I didn't. And I retoned. So then I just take my Good Molecules Discoloration Serum. Helps with my dark spots. What time is it? 12:27. That was a 20-minute shower. Then I be going in with my most famous duo, the Black Girl Sunscreen and the Active Moist Dermalogica. I got my Dermalogica stuff from school. Let me tell you, I really didn't think Dermalogica like would really work for my face, but it really do. Like, I'm not interested in changing skincare no time soon. Like, I'm gonna just keep what I got because my skin is like this, plus me drinking more water is got my skin like looking real good. So I'm not trying to change nothing, but yeah, I wanted to like kind of do my makeup today. What does that mean? I don't know. I wanted to like do my makeup, but like not the full routine. I wanted to do like my little 10-minute routine today because I got 2 classes coming up later. that I want to show out for. Oh, cause you trying to leave the bathroom without brushing your teeth? Dirty. I'm gonna do my 10-minute makeup routine after I brush my teeth. I wanted to like do my makeup, but like not do my makeup, so I could try out these lashes that I found at Target the other day that I was not supposed to buy, but style 114, and then I also bought style 111 because like they were way fuller, and I was like, ooh, like I don't know, something about these style of lashes just scratches and itch. That feeling, I don't know. Today I want to try out the fuller ones because I just want to be extra, because like why not? Every time I go into the office, like because it's downtown, I literally go shopping after every meeting. I always find a good deal on something. Lately I've been shopping, but I'm not gonna lie, I had to shop for my birthday. That's a given, okay? I shop now for like stuff that I can dance in, because like, yes, I got mad shit that I can dance in, but like at the same time I don't know what's the science behind that, but just take my word for it, because every time it's time to shoot and I gotta pull something out of my closet, I don't ever have anything. And that might be an exaggeration, I'm willing to admit, but I'm also willing to admit that like I need more stuff. I did not do a vlog for February. I didn't have no plans to. I don't know why. Yes, I want to be consistent, but I also don't want to give y'all no content that's like microwave. So I'm like obsessed with giving y'all content that like I feel like is my best work. I'm like letting my eyebrows grow out, and I'm like, your eyebrows are not twins, your eyebrows are cousins. Like, yo, I really got 2 different eyebrows. Like, that's really corny. But it's very annoying when it comes to me like actually doing my makeup, because I like symmetry. These look pretty good. It's 12:54. I'm gonna be super early when I say I want to leave at 1 anyway, so like me not leaving at 1 is not the worst thing in the world, but I do need to pick the pace up. Yeah, I gotta leave by 1:20. So my eyebrows are not in their final form. This is way too much foundation I draw. I'm about to be rushing, so I'm gonna check back in with y'all. It might be after my meeting, it might be before. Update, I am late. Ha ha ha. I'm blaming that on my brows alone, not on me vlogging, nothing like that. It's the brows. They actually did give me some trouble today, and I will attribute that to me not having lashes on. As you know, if you watched my other video, I am on my way now to my meeting. Damn, somebody almost caused a whole accident. Like, what was you doing? Now everybody giving a stink face when you go past. So I'm on my way downtown. Just got out of my work meeting. I need to go to Sephora, Primark, and probably H&M, and then I'm gonna see like what time it is. I should have invited somebody down here. I might could call my friend, see what she doing. But yeah, I'm on my way. 'Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. 'Cause baby, it's the everything. So, forgive me if you hate this angle, but my camera died. No surprise there. I just got done shopping a little bit. I went in Primark, but I don't know. Something about it. I just was like, you don't need nothing in here. So I didn't end up getting nothing. I picked up some white sweatpants, but I didn't get them. Because I knew that's not what I really wanted. And I was like, second guessing this. I was like, going ahead and put that down. Why, when I was walking out the elevator to even get to the mall, I seen these two men. I already be hyper fixated on when I feel like people be watching me. So I already knew that they was looking at me, but I was just like, all right, like, I'm gonna just keep looking forward. He told me, yo, fix your face. You need to smile more. And this is why Philly men don't get the top spot for me. They don't get no spot for me. Why you so comfortable telling me what to do? Like, and you little. We the same height. You're not telling me nothing. I just was like, yo, Philly's so ghetto. Like, Philly is so ghetto. Now, pump the brakes now. Pump the brakes now. Okay? Don't be trying to hit my shit. Everybody just trying to hit my shit. Like, what's not making sense? So the only thing I ended up getting was my Laneige lip balm, because that lip balm changed my life. And now I'm on my way to, I'm about to just go straight to class. I'm about to just go straight there, and then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna eat from there, because I'm real hungry. Real hungry. Exactly. 3 reals. What you mean it was previously used? What you mean 521? Because they drawing. Somehow this was previously used. Yeah, I got this from MySpace, but it's saying it was previously used.
Okay, give me this one. This is somebody used it. He said that 12/6. This is
So I can see.
4 months ago. Somebody. This is
Yes,
one
so
time.
I can see. And
So this is
I'm
trash.
supposed to get
This is trash. You don't have to keep it because.
right,
So,
but I'm supposed to
why
only
you-
pay. But I'm
why
not.
you keep
I'm
it
not about
until
to.
now? Why you keep it?
I didn't keep it. I'm trying to tell you that somebody gave it to me at MySpace.
No, he cheated you something. That one he cheated. No.
But I'm not paying $28
Oh,
because I'm only supposed to pay 10.
What you do? You have to pay. I'm not paying for you.
I didn't say you was, but that's why I called support.
5/21.
I can read, but I'm not paying $28. So I don't know who. Maybe I need to go back up to MySpace and figure that out. But I'm not paying for that. So
No. I said ask them. This is you cannot keep it with you.
I didn't say that I did.
Tell them.
I am.
Yeah.
That's what I'm about to go do.
Yes.
Cause why? He started trying to argue me, talking about, oh, you kept this and you did that. No, the fuck I didn't. And I'm not paying $28 for this. So this is the thing, right? I'm supposed to get money off because I work here. So they give these little passes and all of that, to make sure that we get our money off and all of that. But when I scanned mine, it said that it was previously used. Now, I didn't keep it. I just got it today. So why are you trying to tell me that I kept it? I didn't keep it. I just got it today. So, and what I'm not about to do is overpay for this parking garage, because it's already expensive. That's why I got the pass. Like, and then he want to be smart and like, it's nothing that you can do to help. He talking about I'm not paying for it. I know you're not paying for it, but I'm about to go back up there now because they got me all the way messed up. So we about to see, cause don't let me fucking get there. Let's see if this work now, because I don't have time for this man come back out, get on my nerves. Exactly like I said, I'm not paying $28 for something that is $10. Little ugly care about his job a little bit too much for me. I stood looking at the window and be like, now what? That kind of set me back a little bit, not gonna lie. I'm gonna have to figure out what am I gonna eat. Either that or I'm about to be late. I don't want to be late though. Come on now, what are you doing? I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because the rest of my day about to just be me dancing, sweating, laughing, catching my breath. Thank you for tuning in. That was corny. Like, I gotta find a better way to end my videos.